In this video, we will see how to fix error. This device cannot start code 10 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Basically, this error code is related with your network. And to fix issue, the first workaround is go to settings, right click on start button and choose settings. And here go to system from the left side. Thereafter, look for troubleshoot, click on it. Other troubleshooters, click on it. And here run the network and internet troubleshoot. In Windows 10 system, if you will find network connections troubleshoot, then run the network connection troubleshoot and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button, choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box, and here type msdt exe id device diagnostic. This is a command to open the hardware and devices troubleshoot. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Click on advanced, make the check against option apply repair automatically. And follow and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, it will fix issues accordingly. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to device manager, right click on a start button and choose device manager. And here look, expand the driver section, network adapter driver section. Expand it, network adapters, and here go to your network adapter installed in your system and currently working. Right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Search automatically for drivers. Click on it and Windows will update latest driver for your network adapter. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off from the left side and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Disable it for a while. After that, once your work completed, your error resolved, don't forget to turn on back your Windows Defender Firewall. So temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall for both the network, private network and public network. And after that, click on apply and click on OK to save the changes. And after that, don't forget to turn on and check whether your network error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, reset your network. Right click on a start button, choose settings. From the left side, go to network and internet. Go to right side and look for advanced network settings. Click on it. Here scroll down and click on network reset and finally choose reset now and follow on screen instruction to reset your network connection and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, the one last method is flush DNS caches. Clear your DNS caches. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode and here execute the command ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Successfully flush the DNS resolver caches. Don't forget to restart your system.